school is very far, and some more challenges nitie mag religious issues be magin go nikech ng'eny nyithindgi moko be dhi madrasa schools and what have you. So gin gi their own challenges, but thurwa kuma value education wanyalo lando ka kata na gweng'wa kaka Karachuonyo for example, adwa lando ilo jowa ma wan go gi capacity mar tero nyithindo moko morem school ginyiswa gi wane kaka watimo nikech day schools magwa sani fee en siling 12,500 kende kaka moko nwachulo negi 5,500 nyiso ni wachieg tieko nus. We can even pay again because
utudorigo jomage
no wan gi jowa mwamanyo godo resources and we are helping because the most important thing, sometimes government is overwhelmed and they are private people man gi pesa mar willing to help. We only need to structure.
Scholarships wantiere godo, wantiere kuda basaris. Kidin ka gidien. Governor nyaka MCA ntiere kodo.
Samo woni MCA basari mare no chungi, governor basari mare no chungi. But scholarships ne biro on the lines mag basari go. And you know scholarships mag governors will be no chungi. So you know the governor is curtailed sani on matters secondary and tertiary education ma oginyal temo much. But we have to look at solutions. Makarani naka president no wacho you know we have to return. You come mistake not more golo basaris from governors because governors need a lot of role in that. MCA is the local person. Member of Parliament is in Nairobi. MCA emanigi peke ground to MCA no tami basari this time. So MPs were, and I have to congratulate a few MPs. Kaka Boyd Kotimo is doing a very big. We have to point out. Yeah, and even our area MP now could distribute bursaries, and you are going to get the funds next year. Adepo, yeah, now could distribute bursaries. And now on Gagi Samangaro Timugi Mama Bear, Wawachogi Kiswahili, and Jack Swahili Cabeza, Wajungala Mu and Haki, Umpe. Enya Lokia Ringato Basamoro, Akinete me, but the truth, Madwako, Nikatieko in that point. Any Okadwa ni ichalo gimo okadwa duo koregi uwe matene. But nitiere some things. Ye wacho no appear a show for the first time. So nitiere some things ma wasiga discuss inu wase chandre kodi gigi several years. Kawa biro kakwa discuss. Sama loko ka chenjo matwani ka reasons gamiyo ni are making sense. Nikeche nanka kaka janon siasa. Upenja wachi Gladys for example. Na penjo Gladys good questions. Toni nanoka mbui nano gik manyocha inyisa ni onge no ni nyisa ga ni yatungi an mage gik mana challenge ga go Gladys tonge to kana dhi ma wa kode no mia na dhi hospital na dhi kandiege level 4 hospital adier na storm into odia ayudo yedhi so nitiere gik moko nitiere no just a minute Sharon nitiere gik moko makata ko wacho ni na pingo yes na penjo Gladys important questions to kana dhi ayudo those answers ka dhi ayudo development ayudo ni okay county government ok nigi pesa mang'eny manyalo loso go gik madongo kaka ma national government timo but kidhi to yudo high classrooms now no tera neno adhi aneno health centers aneno gigi so
alum minyalo medo mana minyalo medo kapoko ko yumate
Sharon mondo mi awach kama 1.1 million kata jopuonjre milion 1.1 ema notimo penj mar grade 10 koro nikech wantie gi jomok tim research makoro wuodi ka ni 800 and 4% of 100%.
No, actually 800,000 students spoke of the school.
800. Mano gimani e Daily Nation.
No. Daily Nation
watch
we
be honest. At least no tension. Then I watch on Sharon. Sharon. Yes. Where man?
Just a minute, Sharon. No, let us be factual. Ka wacho ni 1.1 million notimo penj to wacho ni 800,000 as we speak dan be ni koro mi 200,000 kende mose
mano according to the Daily Nation
Ministry mar Education ni gidi magi golo nonro makama